Welcome to Review Lab. The best kids travel gear is probably one of the most essential investments any parent can make for a smoother, more enjoyable journey with their little ones, transforming potentially chaotic trips into memorable adventures and ensuring that every family vacation starts on the right foot, making those long flights or car rides feel significantly shorter and more manageable for everyone involved. Number 5. BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag. Introducing the BAGSMART Large Toiletry Bag, your perfect travel companion. Keep all your essentials neatly organized and easily accessible on the go. Featuring a convenient hanging hook, this bag allows you to maximize space in any bathroom. Simply hang it up and keep your toiletries within reach. Crafted with water-resistant material, it protects your belongings from spills and splashes. Travel with peace of mind, knowing your items are safe and dry. This bag offers generous space for your makeup, cosmetics, shampoo, and full-sized containers. It's designed to hold everything you need for your trip. More than just a toiletry bag, it's a complete travel organizer for all your accessories. Simplify your packing and enjoy a clutter-free journey. What we like. This bag offers a convenient hanging hook, perfect for small hotel bathrooms. Its water-resistant material protects your toiletries from spills. If you're looking for a spacious organizer that keeps everything accessible, this is a great choice for your next trip. What people say. The product is very durable and has a lot of compartments for organizing items. The design is sleek and modern, and it's surprisingly lightweight for its size. It's incredibly functional, with features like a built-in charging port and adjustable straps. Number 4. Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater Spray. Life with little ones is full of messes. Fortunately, there's a simple solution for those inevitable spills and splatters. This powerful spray is designed to tackle even the most stubborn food and grease stains. It works wonders on a variety of fabrics, keeping your baby's clothes looking fresh. As a must-have for any new parent, it's perfect for all your baby's essentials. You can trust it to gently remove stains without harsh chemicals. Forget the hassle and expensive dry cleaning for everyday accidents. This spray makes laundry day a breeze, handling common culprits like coffee and grease with ease. Simply spray, let it work its magic, and wash as usual. It's the quick and easy way to keep your family's laundry looking its best. Keep your baby's wardrobe pristine with this essential stain remover. It's the reliable choice for busy parents who want the best for their little ones. What we like. Tackle those inevitable messes with this powerful stain treater. It's designed to work on a variety of food stains, making it ideal for little ones. If you have a baby or toddler prone to spills, this is a must-have for keeping clothes clean on the go. What people say. The product is very durable and has a lot of compartments for organization. It is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for travel. The design is sleek and modern, and it comes in a variety of colors. Number 3. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these packing cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. Designed with lightweight fabric, they keep your clothes neatly stored without adding extra weight to your luggage. The double-way zipper with an extended cord makes them incredibly easy to use, while the mesh top panel helps identify contents easily. Effortlessly organize your belongings with these cubes in multiple sizes and colors. They save you time by preventing misplacement of items and maximize the space within your luggage. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes and can also be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, and duffel bags. They are ideal for family breaks, business trips, vacations, hiking, and camping. Streamline your packing process with these essential travel accessories. They help you efficiently sort and access your clothes, saving you valuable time and effort for a more comfortable journey. What we like. Organize your luggage like a pro with these packing cubes. The durable, water-repellent fabric keeps clothes protected and wrinkle-free. If you want to maximize space and easily find your items, these are perfect for family vacations or business trips. What people say. The product is very sturdy and well-made. It's a great size for travel and fits easily into a carry-on bag. The compartments are well designed and keep everything organized. Number 2. NATPAT Buzz Patch Mosquito Patch Stickers for Kids. Say goodbye to mosquito worries with NATPAT Buzz Patch. These all-natural stickers offer effective protection for your little ones. Made with plant-based ingredients and essential oils like citronella, they provide a DEET-free solution. Keep your kids safe and comfortable outdoors. Our non-toxic formula is perfect for toddlers and kids. You can trust them to be gentle on sensitive skin while keeping bugs away. As the original all-natural insect patch, NATPAT Buzz Patch is a trusted choice for parents. Enjoy outdoor adventures without the bites. This convenient 48-pack ensures you have plenty of protection for all your family's needs. Simply peel and stick for hours of defense. What we like? Keep pesky mosquitoes away with these all-natural patches. They use plant-based ingredients, making them safe for children. If you're traveling to an area with insects and want a non-toxic repellent option for your kids, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The product is very durable and has a lot of compartments. It is easy to clean and the straps are adjustable. The design is very cute and my child loves it. Number 1. JL Childress Padded Backpack Car Seat Bag. Introducing the ultimate travel companion for your little one's car seat. Make your journey smoother and less stressful. This versatile bag is designed to fit most baby and infant carriers, as well as booster seats. It offers a secure and snug fit for peace of mind. Choose how you transport your car seat with convenient gate or baggage check options. It adapts to your travel needs. Crafted with padding, it provides excellent protection for your car seat during travel. The durable design ensures it can withstand the rigors of transportation. Stay connected and track your belongings with its AirTag compatibility. Never lose sight of your essential travel gear again. The deluxe black finish offers a stylish and sophisticated look. It's the perfect blend of functionality and fashion for modern parents. What we like? Protect your car seat during travel with this padded bag. It's designed to fit most infant carriers and boosters, offering ample protection. If you're flying or checking your car seat, this bag provides peace of mind and makes transport much easier. What people say. The product is very durable and has a lot of space for storage. The design is very practical and easy to use, even for children. It is lightweight and easy to carry around, which is great for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.